Do you believe that even our rishis are using satellites? Do you believe in that? If we say so, just you laugh at us. Right? Then another following question is, to see a part of land, is it possible for you to just watch it from a mountain or from your house? If you want to see how the Tamil Nadu is, the geographical picture, can you see it from your place? Or if you go onto the mountain, can you see that? If you want to see how the India is, can you see it from a place? Or can you walk across and then just draw it? Is it possible? If you want to see the picture of the world, is it possible for you just to observe it? Is it? So who drawn the world map? Can you say that? When it is drawn at least. World map, when it is drawn. In which century at least? Was it there thousands of years ago? The world map which we see today? Huh? At least was it there in 10th century? No? Or in 12th? Or in 14th? When the journey was started across the oceans by Columbus or someone XYZ like that, right? Vasco da Gama or Columbus, such people, they started traveling on their ships. This is what we know today, right? Before them, did our people know about the world? Do really they know about the world, how the world map was? If really they want to know, I think probably they should go to the space. They should be in some satellite from which they have to take the picture. Then only they can match and just draw the world picture, world map, right? Have you really seen the world map today? Probably must have seen. In our Puranas, there is a mention about how the world was looking. Did you ever hear about it? In our Puranas, in our Bharat, the Mahabharata also, it is mentioned in one place, world was divided into pieces. Once upon a time, it was like a square piece. Globe was not flat. No. Very recently we have gone through some book where they have written, once upon a time people used to believe that the world is flat, and when they traveled through the ship, then they found, no, world is not flat, world is round, something like that in the book. Probably that's what we also studied in our books. Once upon a time, world was not flat. It was like a square piece. Of course, in the same form. Probably some people here may be knowing Sandhyavandan, right? Some people who know Sandhyavandan? Oh, good. There are few. Every day, while doing Sandhyavandan, they say, Chetussagara Paryantam Go Brahmanebhya Subham Bhavatu. I think we were taught like that when we are young. Now probably must have forgotten. There they say Chetussagara Paryantam. That means sea was all around the earth once upon a time, and then it started taking divisions, and it was divided into some pieces. Of course, there is a big history behind that. You must have heard about the Rama's lineage. Rama's ancestors were Sagara, the king. He was having few children. They went round the world in search of a horse, which was taken by X. So they did something. That's the story part. I'm not going into the story part of it. Then the earth started taking divisions. It was divided into 7 continents with the help of sea. And then the sea became 7 sagaras, Sapta Sagaras. Sapta Sagara Avruta Vasundhara. It became like that. After division, how the earth was looking, that was the question. In Mahabharata, it is mentioned, after the division, the picture of the earth was reflecting on the moon, and there it looked like as if a rabbit is standing on its legs, trying to catch hold of a big bush in front of it. Do you believe in this? The earth map, as they felt, was like a rabbit standing on its 2 legs, trying to catch a bush in front of it. Have you seen the world map? Did you ever find the rabbit in the world map? I'll show you the world map, okay? You just can see, is it really the world map or not? But for the division, it took almost 1,000 million years. Okay? Here is this. Just watch. This is how it was 1500 million years ago. You know, that means 500 years have been passed. Took some changes, and then like this, and then like this. Okay. Is it the world map you are seeing today? True? This is India. This is Australia, America, South America, and other parts like this. Is it true? Are you able to find some rabbit here? The description what our Puranas have given to us is like, after division, the earth was like a rabbit trying to catch hold of a bush in front of it. Are you able to see it? Anybody? So can you say our Puranas are speaking truth? Do you really want to see the rabbit here? Come on. Let us try to see that. Are you able to find it now? Is it a real rabbit or wrong? This is India, what we have seen there. This is America. This is Alaska. This is poor South America. It eats, but here it is digested. Again, you want to see the real world map. Is it true or wrong? Yes. that is the thing, yes. It's not actually written by Indians. It's written by people who have good vision.
కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ రంగాలలో దశాబ్దపు అనుభవంతో కస్టమర్ల మరియు శ్రేయోభిలాషుల మన్ననలను నమ్మకాన్ని గెలుపొందిన సంస్థ విఆర్ఆర్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్. నాణ్యతకు నమ్మకానికి మారుపేరు విఆర్ఆర్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్. ఇండిపెండెంట్ హౌసెస్, అపార్ట్మెంట్స్, విల్లాస్ అన్ని రకాల హంగులతో అలరించే అద్భుతమైన వెంచర్స్ తో పాటు అందరికీ అందుబాటు ధరలో సొంత ఇంటి కలను సాకారం చేసే నమ్మకమైన సంస్థ విఆర్ఆర్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్. ప్లీజ్ విజిట్ విఆర్ఆర్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్, Varatex Plaza near Radhika Theatre, ECL X Road, Hyderabad. Call to 910088555512, 9100885555.